back. It is now 11:35 at night because that's when I got home like 10 minutes ago. So yeah, but I'm gonna get back into it. So I believe, so next is the motherboard. Just moving some things out of the way. Actually, okay. So we're going back to the motherboard. Just power supply. My bad. And we're gonna do the SSD. Okay. There is sticker on the top. There we go. SSD right here. I probably have bad lighting because again it's like 11:30 at night. Oh god. There we go. Solid state drive. Why did they put a sticker on this? It's almost like stick testing when you have to put those stickers on at the end. It's not coming off. Whatever. So it goes under here, I believe, because this is too big for this. Yeah, alright. Just wanted to double check. Gotta take off the screw. And then other screw. And then we can take this off. And then that's where the SSD goes. One second, I'm gonna put this down. Just like this. Fine. There. Gotta find a slot. There we go. And then this goes back on top. And this goes back in. Ooh, drop the screw. Locks in it. Let me put this back on so I can see where the screws go. There we go. There. And there. Where? Just gonna put the first screw in first. That way I won't lose it. Alright, that's one. And two. Try not to cover it, but you know, it's a little hard. I'm not sure if it's so visible because of this anyways. Screw fell again. I have tiny enough fingers that I can actually get them, but there could be trouble if you have larger fingers. Alright, SSD is in. So now let me go back to the guide. Alright. Oh, oops. I wonder that wouldn't go down. Alright. Those are all in. So this is the plug for the CPU fan. And up top, there is a plug-in for that. And over here in the corner. There we go. That's plugged in. Alright. So I need to put this in first, and it goes. Oops, I dropped it. Goes in behind like this. Alright. Alright. I need to move things around. There we go. So I do have the back off, but I guess I can put this on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's, I guess, where this comes in, and I need to take off this monstrosity that I did. Because I couldn't do anything with it and I didn't know what to do. Alright. There we go. Man. Okay. I don't want to rip the bag, but it's really small. Okay, I'm not going to do it that way. I need to get a Ziploc bag or something for this. So I guess these are all the same size? No. No. Never mind. I think it's these screws. For them. 5. 6, 7. Alright. That's all I should need, I believe. And then we're gonna put this in. I'm gonna put this there. This, that. Move this out. And then this will go in. Yeah. Alright. Move this over so I can see. Lay that. Screw on here. Not doing the best job for this. Naturally. Before I mess things up, I'm gonna lay the case down on its side. Put that back down. We need to move things. Oh, there it is. That way I can do this right and not break anything. before I do that wrong. There we go. Yeah. Having a workout in or something. Not that I'm like necessarily tired, but man, it's taking a while. Alright, I think I got it. Just trying to line it up here. So I guess I'm using a different type of screw. Right, there we go. Now they're going in. Using the wrong type of screw. Oops. Ah! Dropped one. Yeah. Man, this is taking a while. I mean, I knew it would take a while, but at the same time, like, I think it's like 12:15 or something, and yeah. Drop one of the screws again, except on the floor. Oh well, pick it up later. Honestly, I might need to pick this up like later in the morning. Something. If I get too tired. Yep. And up here. Alright. Two more. Trying to put it in the right spot. It's a little hard. There we go. That one's in, and then last one. Dropped it. Alright, I need to stand like on top of this. There we go. I kind of like drop it into place, and now I guess my legs kind of hurt, so I'm setting up. motherboard is in. Oh yeah, I'm gonna hook up the fans into here because they have cables. There's supposed to be certain connectors for that, and which I'll do that later. I need to do the fans. I mean, I have the fans are like put in here. I just need to put it to the motherboard. Okay. I'm gonna flip this over. Oh, haha. Okay. One second. Oh, I need to. So I need to take off the zip tie on this. If I can find it. Ha! There we go. Took off the zip tie. I'm gonna try and extend all these without freaking anything. Alright. There we go. So some of these are gonna stay together anyways just because of cable management. But yeah. And then I was realizing there are cables that I didn't do yet. These cables. And I need this for it. I cannot see. Okay. Oh, jeez. Here's that. Two USB cables. Go down here. Guess I need to take off the twist tie for this. There we go. Two USB 2s. Go down here. Oh, wait. At least one of them. Go, that's audio. This is USB, my bad. That's it. I'm not totally sure. Oh, found it. There we go. Okay. Starting to find things. And then Okay, yeah. And now this is the CPU, or not CPU, the power supply, my bad. Okay. Trying to figure things out here. That's what this is for. Okay. So for me, this is what it is, and it's this one. Cables. Man, it could be a mess. Guess I only need this one. And then I'm going to need some twist ties for these, honestly. So much cable. Where'd it go? This. Goes into here. Doing it wrong, I will know. Doesn't want to go in. It's the last one, at least. There we go. You see, I don't know where to put things, but I have the fans plugged in at least. JFP1. Alright, now I'm switching to the front because this has nothing to do with the power supply. Has to do with these. I'm going to use the flash on my phone so I can see. Don't mind me, I need to lay down so I can read better. Okay. I rewatched the video so I can understand what he said. It has to do with these pins over here. I can tell that. And this was not staying in. There we go. Let me try this. I think I know where it goes now. Because that's exactly, yeah, okay. Has a different name. So plus, minus, and then power switch. And it's a little hard to see. I'm gonna lay this down if I can. There we go. I should make it easier to plug in. Power and yes. Plus minus power. Why is it so hard to plug in? They're going in. Except maybe this last one. There we go. There. And I need to plug this one back in. it going? Oh, there's an ad. I might have clicked on something on my accident. Trying to make sure I put this in right. So put it on like this, which you can't see. I'm doing it like this. So I'm about to plug it in. I think it's in. Oh wait. I don't think display went in. Alright.
The 8-pin socket on the top left of your board. Again, make sure.
Time for CPU. Okay, this one. Not many of these are labeled, so I'm trying to be careful. I think it's this one. Not that one. Well, I had it at first. This one. Alright. This one.
Label CPU and plug this into the 8-pin socket on the top left of your board. Again. Make sure the clip sits.
Yep, I know where it goes. Alright. So this has to go all the way up to there. And maybe it's just maybe. There we go. I think. Got it in. And I already clicked. Man, it makes a stretch. Oh, I just moved this cover. Oops. Alright. Well, there's the CPU. Oh. So.
And finally, we are ready to install the graphics card. Make sure you are installing the GPU on the highest PCI slot.
Now it's the graphics card. I didn't take it out of the thing yet. Woo! Graphics card. Ooh, there's a little thing to peel. Oh, it's perfect. There we go. Boink. No. Alright. Take those out for now.
Motherboard for the best performance. We're going to remove the PCI bracket
take off one of those.
depending on how
It's at the top. Just folds down.
and from the back where the ports are located. Grab the driver's car from the bottom and gently bring it close to the top PCI slot. And slide it in until you click or until the clip locks into place. Please note, if you want to remove your graphics card, you have to use a sharp object, preferably a flathead.
Okay. Not bad. Didn't fully go in yet. Okay. Let me put this again. There we go. I believe it's in. Yep, we're good.
And push the tap open so that it
Let's
will
go.
grab his card. Don't do this if you pull out your card, it will damage and break off the locking tab. If your GPU is sagging a little bit, you can use your other hand to lift the GPU up while you tighten it down through the back. If you have any pieces
Alright. I'm gonna try screw. Where did I put the screwdriver? Behind me. Haha. I guess then it's one of these screws. Whew, it's hot. Alright, I need to lay this back down. That was good, there we go. Alright, it's in. Man, it's 1 a.m. It's taking me at least an hour. Alright.
However many pins your GPU has needs to match the PCI cables you're plugging in. As you can see, my graphics card has two 8-pin connectors. So I'm plugging in two 8-pin PCI cables. Make sure to position the clip towards the lip before connecting them. And once again, make
That went in. And then I need to put this one in. There we go. That's in.
Alright, so this is what your PC should look like. All the components are connected and ready to go.
Everything is in. I guess it does look a little messy. I'm not too worried about it right now.
Proud of you, but we're not done yet. Still need to install Windows, download the driver, power.
Alright. That's it. For the most part. Watch, wait. I mean, that is it. It is just now plugging in the power supply into an outlet and then plugging other things in. You know, that's it. So, yeah. Finally. Let me turn off the flash. At freaking 1 a.m. in the morning, I finished. I want to boot this up in the morning, like, 10 a.m. I don't want to do it right now. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it here for now and then boot it up later. Transition.